Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create a wall or create the dimensions in Planner5d. So we are going to start with a new project, and I'm going to quickly show you how it's all done. So first of all, as we can see, we are starting with something very basic that we want to, let's create a wall. So first of all, we have to add a corner into this wall. I believe that's pretty self-explanatory, and the same stuff we are going to add into this wall as well. So we have two walls. Just like that, we can move the corners as we like them, obviously. And we are going to hide this corner and this corner and move it a little bit like this so we can see the direct dimensions, as you can see in here. So far it's going to look like this. We have no extra walls, let's say. It's going to be just like that. Right now, we want to add another block. Let's say we are going with this one, and we want to add the block right here, underneath the previous one. So what we are about to do right now, it's we're gonna move the upper right corner and push it in here, where is the end of the wall that we want to actually move towards it. Right now, we are going to break this wall and move it just like that, as you can see. So we have this structure, and this structure. Right now, we are going to get rid of this wall, or we are going to hide it, which is pretty nice. We can make this room, for example, a bit smaller, so to speak, and wider. Okay, the next step is a little bit tricky one. So we see this one, we want to break it. And yeah, we can move it with this one, just like that. As you probably thought, this is not what we wanted, because there's one too much wall. So we are going to hide this wall in here. Now we are going to break this one, which is pretty easy. And we are going to overlap it in there, just like that. Right now, we want to break it once again, maybe for the last time. And we want to make it just like that, I believe, if that's what we wanted to do. If we go to 3D design, as you can see, we created walls inside of our beautiful project. So maybe there's a kitchen separated for a kitchen. This is for some kind of storage room where you can just put your doors or something like that. Well, yep, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.